Okay guys, today we have a weird board kickflip challenge with none other than
Chris.
He's behind the tree. He's terrified for his life. He has no idea what these boards are. He has not seen this lineup yet. We got 13 easy ones. Actually, I gave you a couple in there that.
Oh my God.
I did this with Gabe recently, and I gave him the easy road out. You could do it on your board first if you want an easy warm up.
Maybe. Well, I gotta like really take this all in.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I'm kind of worried about, I'm really worried about this one.
Yeah.
And then probably this one too.
I'm gonna try and not give you any advice, but I do have the secret of pretty much every board here.
So how much time do I have?
That's a good question. Okay, well, how much time do you think you should have? 30 minutes, you say? Hey, sir, he set a timer for 30 minutes.
Probably need a couple years.
This is 13 boards, 30 minutes. Start with your board. Actually, 14 boards.
14 boards.
Kickflip challenge.
Let's see.
First try, what a beautiful kickflip.
Thank you.
This guy, we need a kickflip tutorial with Chris. And then
It's a great trick.
it's either you want to take the easiest one first, which is, it's up to you.
I'm gonna go with this one. Is that felt?
Yeah.
Play some pool on this bad boy.
Yeah,
this is
you
probably a really difficult one, actually.
Nah, easy money.
It's like half.
Chris can kickflip anything.
It's like if a coffin and an egg had a baby. This is the shape it would.
It's true.
Oh my God. This is gonna be hard.
I'm so glad you didn't do that first try. Okay, second try.
One more for the love, though. Just to.
Yeah, you gotta clean that up. What in the world, Crispy? Why is it like the slowest moving kid? It's slow motion.
It's so weird.
Wow.
Nice.
There you
Dude,
go.
The kick turns are wild.
He wants to just shred that guy.
I like this.
Okay, one and done.
What is this? There's no wheels?
This is tramp trucks.
Oh, for trampoline.
Yeah, trampoline trucks.
Lady and the Tramp.
Yep, he said it, not me.
Spaghetti.
Wow.
That was terrible.
I thought you had this one first tee.
Same.
Okay.
I'm not even popping.
No, you're not. Yeah, you're not. How
Well-
weird is that?
It's because I'm not on a trampoline is what I was trying to say. So that's 3 down?
Yeah, 3 down.
What
This
the?
next one.
Wait.
Wait.
Why is this?
There's
Why?
a lot of questions people could ask. Sometimes you just don't.
Okay. Well, I shouldn't have asked then.
Yeah, it's
Let
true.
me see. Let's see. Oh my God.
I don't.
That
How
was
did
sick.
you do that?
That was sick. I'm never doing
That
that again.
was sick.
Okay, this is crazy. Hold on. This is what it feels like when you first stand on the skateboard ever.
It's true.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I actually don't know. I don't
Hold
know. This
on,
one might
dude.
not be possible.
That's actually really crazy. I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, try and.
Oh my God.
I
This
think
might.
you have to put your front foot on the little board.
You think so?
I do.
Okay.
Maybe.
Like
Yeah.
that? Oh my God. The trucks don't help at all.
This is. Oh! You landed primo! This is one that Gabe Cruz did not get.
I
in his
bet.
lineup.
This is ridiculous.
You got it.
Oh my God.
You actually got it.
I wasn't expecting how hard this, I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. I'm very surprised by this. It's
Wow.
not flipping. I might have to kick down.
Wow.
I don't think that's possible. Let me try one
They
more.
said it wasn't possible. I've seen you kickflip things that are way less possible than this.
Yeah, you're
Miniature.
Probably right. You're probably right. Oh! Okay.
There it was.
I need more foot.
You're getting soft
This
in
is
your old age.
crazy.
That was it. That was it,
Dude,
Chris.
I had it. Just even standing on this board is ridiculous, though. That's why landing it's gonna be a whole other story. I really want to land this
You
now.
gotta get that cord out of there
Oh yeah.
before
That's why I
some
wasn't
bad
landing it.
catastrophe occurs.
Yeah.
What in the world?
I really want to land this.
You're kicking the board and it's spinning.
It's so weird. We're gonna come back to this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think I need some more forward momentum.
Demolition Derby.
Okay.
There is a secret to this that you would never expect.
We'll start like this because that's weird. Oh my God.
Wow, Chris is very smart. He figured it out instantly. Yeah, that's right. That's the way to do it.
Yeah, the other way would take too much power.
Yeah.
We're using gravity. Oh,
wow.
Okay. This one's pretty hard too.
Yeah?
Yeah. Here we go.
First try.
There we go. First try, volume 6.
Okay, that was easy. Egghead's gonna be very easy, I think.
You think so?
Yeah. It's got extra wide.
Extra. See what you did there?
Extra. Wow.
There we go.
Yes, sir.
That felt
Yes,
good.
sir.
That felt real good.
Bart Simpson?
Oh yeah? Is that his model?
Yeah.
It's pretty safe. Oh, that was it.
Easy money, first tee.
All right, glasses coming off.
Wow, it just got serious. He's taking the glasses
It's
off.
so cloudy, but it's so bright still.
It's true. Yes, sir.
Olympics right there. There we go. All right, we're getting there.
We're getting there.
My God, this is heavy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna save this for later.
I know, that's why I was like, in the shorts?
Yeah.
This is just a standard issue Walmart board.
Okay, that's what I started off with.
Really?
Pikachu board with plastic.
Really?
Yeah.
Too good.
Oh my God, we're not gonna pick that one.
That one's easy too.
That one's heavy as heck.
No, this one's hard.
I don't know, I feel like I can do it. This one, it's all about momentum.
Yeah, it's true. He's still got 21 minutes left.
21.
I definitely should have given him way harder boards. I had harder boards at the house.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Wow.
All right, that's hard. Oh, I'm getting too confident now.
Yeah, I love how he was so close now.
No!
Wow, that was good.
That was it. The problem with flipping this is your feet are so far apart.
Yeah.
You know, it'd be a good challenge with the ripstick.
What?
Fakie flip.
Oh yeah, impossible.
I don't think you could ride fakie on these.
But you could go that way.
Oh, I guess so, huh? Yeah. This is tough, man.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
It's tough, man. Is it? Yes. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Let's go.
There we go. The problem with this is you have to land so good.
It's true. That was
worked
amazing.
out. Thank you.
But he's still stumped on that one, though. I guess we do got that one.
That's true. Another heavy board.
And he's got two that. Oh, that one's easy.
What's?
This one.
What's
This
the
one is
difference?
metal. This one is titanium.
Oh, okay.
This one's easy. though.
Titanium?
Yeah.
Whatever? Okay.
Titanium.
Yeah. I'm kind of scared of this one.
Adamantium.
Let me ollie it. Wolverine or what? That sounds like
Don't be scared of this one. It's actually hella good.
it's like a Ratchet and Clank.
The only thing
skateboard.
that's wrong is the trucks.
I was
are
gonna
bad.
say they're like backwards, huh?
They're like
something.
they're not backwards, but they're just going in different directions.
Oh.
See?
Okay. Okay.
You think it's wonky, then you're like, wow.
It's not too heavy.
See? Beauty.
I was worried about that one, but I guess
Yeah, no need to be worried.
this one's gonna be hard.
Ah, yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
This one's impossible. What the heck?
It might be. This is one I never put this in anybody's challenge.
Is this 3D printed?
Yeah, 3D printed longboard.
What the heck? Oh my God, this is not. Maybe. I don't know. Let's
Flick
see.
down.
All right, I'll try.
The thing about this is there's no tail.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, 100% you got
You think
that.
so?
Yes.
To get the flick more. Oh, okay. Really long,
Down.
slow pop, down flick.
Yeah, late and down.
I'm gonna come back to this one.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
That I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that one.
It might be impossible. It's true, it might be.
This is crazy too. What the?
This is a flick downer. Easy money.
Oh, I can't believe this thing exists. Ah!
Please watch your ankles.
My shins. Oh!
Wow.
That was it. Ow.
Watch your shins, bro. You got pants?
No,
No need.
no, no.
Yes.
The crazy thing is pants, it still hurts.
It's true. It does still hurt.
No!
It's like impossible to not make it rocket. It just
What about-
it's
oh,
to
you
the moon.
Can't really pop from that side.
No, not at all. This is the only way to do it. Wow. That was the weirdest flip I've ever seen.
That was, yeah.
Yeah. That was good.
I tried to pop it up from the wrong side.
Got him.
Okay, so we have 3D printed, heavy, and then Willy Wonka's board.
Yeah. This one is from a light.
A light?
Yeah, like a light company made it.
Oh, nice.
Aperture.
It's not very light.
No, it's not.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh.
See? Told you.
It's because that thing on the bottom's giving it some nice.
Gives it extra little flickage.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, all right, all right.
Wow, wow.
Less power, less power.
Less power. Ease off the power.
No!
I know, out of the videos that gave you the most run for your money, I wouldn't have expected this one.
This is tough. The no grip threw me off there.
It's funny to see how many tries each board will take an individual. Like, I think Gabe Cruz nailed this in like 3.
I believe it. Gabe's built different.
Yeah, he is.
All right, I gotta channel my inner Gabe Cruz here.
Yeah, you got it. Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you, Gabe.
First try.
Okay, we got 3 left.
Just please be careful on your shins.
Okay, let's see. What is it called?
Metal board.
Okay. Well said. Oh!
Yes.
It's like some Dark Souls stuff right here.
Yeah, you play that?
I love Dark Souls.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's easy
Hail the
money.
sun.
Now you just have 2 impossible ones. That one I know you got because you already landed it.
So all right, let's go with this one.
I mean, we could abort mission on that one, but I still think he has that too.
I want to take my time on that one. I want to take my time. This one's gonna be weird, but I know it's possible.
That was it right there.
Oh no, it's not gonna be that good anymore. Watch. Actually, I can't say that. I gotta believe. Oh!
There it was. There it was.
That's good. Right? Was that not it?
It's up to you, Chris McNugget.
Dang it, that's not it. I just don't know how else I'm gonna land that better. So.
You 100% got that better. Please, please land free.
Good. That would be easier than landing regular.
Stay on there.
No!
Wow. That was a miracle.
Dude.
A
See,
Christmas miracle.
If I was by myself, I would have counted maybe like one of the first ones. When you got friends that push you that know you can do better, it's nice.
No. And then there was one. What's the time at? 10 minutes left.
Oh no.
10 minutes, 14
The
seconds.
grand finale. That's so
It's
weird.
like this. It's like pop up and then like
Delayed flick.
very late.
Yeah, see, my brain doesn't work like that.
Same.
Oh!
Way later.
Way later than that?
Yeah. Yeah, there's halfway. The 3D printer can be a little flimsy. I'm surprised if this won't break. Yeah, that was it. Like that, double power.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need more power, you're right. I feel like I can do it.
You 100% can do it.
More power.
More power.
I gotta get used to like the slow pop. Okay. Steps.
Yeah. There's a lot lacking on the tail.
Right.
Much to be desired on the tail.
Oh.
Wow. That was
Okay, okay.
that was it.
I think so. Oh!
Oh, you got it.
Oh! That was so close. This part of my foot hurts.
Really?
Yeah. Now it hurts more. You see that?
Oh, you got it.
I don't know if I can do this.
I love how it keeps saying that, then he gets really, really close. I don't know if I can do this. Basically lands it. Oh! Oh! What was that, Chris?
Are you serious?
Stay on there.
This is the hardest thing I've done all minute.
No way, you got it. You got it, Christopher. 5 minutes, 55 seconds.
Okay, okay.
You already landed it.
Technically, huh?
So now you believe in yourself. Now you just gotta land it. I don't know how you did it that one time.
I don't know.
I almost want to analyze the slow-mo, but I'm not even filming slow-mo.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
I think it's flick from the middle and down.
Ow. I think I need to
Change your flick from like this to like that.
Okay. Ah. That's so hard. I need to put it like further back, I feel like.
Yeah, I agree. Yep,
Yeah.
just like that. Yeah, Chris! Land it, you got it.
No!
Oh, boy. Yes. Yes.
Dang.
Stay on there.
Okay, you're right. Close. In some universes that counts, but not this one, unfortunately.
3 minute, 27 second.
Oh!
Wow.
I didn't know my ankle could do that, but all right. No!
Feet closer together. Yeah,
Okay,
just like
okay.
that. You got it.
Oh!
Bro. So there. You have 1 minute, 51 seconds.
Oh no. No!
What was it?
No.
There it is, Chris. Yes! Yes! Yes!
What the? Oh no.
That 3 second rule?
Yeah, but
46 seconds? Yes!
what the heck?
What the heck, man?
All right, last try. Here it is. Oh!
Watch that ankle, dude.
Well, I can't skate for the rest of my life anymore.
Put your back foot.
What up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time! It's time! No way!
I couldn't get the last one.
You got him. Kickflip all these boards.
Yes, I did every one except for this one. That one's,
Super crazy.
it's ridiculous. Man, I love to film me a nice challenge, you know?
Yeah.
Should I end it?
You can give up.
Well,
You just want to teach all the kids out there that are trying to learn how to kickflip to give up.
and definitely don't try on one of these boards.
Definitely not. Dude, you're so close, it's painful.
Painful for me too.
Just breathe. The board that ended Chris McNugget.
Yeah. Oh, all right, last try. I probably should just wait.
You want to eat?
Yeah, dang. Well, I tried my best. I didn't fully succeed. I landed a couple wonky ones, but in this universe, we
You're
don't
a
count
legend.
those. Thank you.
You're a legend, Chris. Out of all the ones, I would not have expected this one to take you out, though.
Yeah, I think with the repeated amount of tries in this hole, it's like rubbing raw.
Oh, is
even
that
through
what's
my
occurring?
Yeah, so it hurts right here now.
Really?
Uh-huh.
So you're hitting the hole.
Mhm.
Oh, wow.
But if you would have landed it first try, you know, it would have been a different story.
Would have been easy money.
Yeah.
Well, a huge thanks to Christopher McNugget for coming out here and doing the challenge. Who should do the challenge next? Leave it in the comments below. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.